4 chefs are hoping to ring up a victory in a supermarket. Let's meet them. First up, Nikki Morse is a personal chef for a race car team from London, Ohio. Next up, Johanna Lawrence is a private chef and mother of 2 from Redondo Beach, California. Then there's Michelle Wilson, chef owner of a Southern Comfort restaurant and a mom from San Francisco, California. And finally, we got Trevor Ball, a private chef from Dallas, Texas. The name of this game is Meals from the Middle. So everything in the middle of the store, you're allowed to use that area. In 3, 2, 1, go! Nice race cars out of the hole, going sideways. There goes Cowboy.
Oh my God.
My grandma, she used to make pasta fagioli for me, pasta and beans.
Tacos. No fresh produce, no dairy, everything from the middle.
I need vegetables.
Where are we going here? I love meat, but it's a vegetarian feast. I was just racking my brain with what I could substitute with. What are we doing? Oh, I got it. My girlfriend makes these most amazing potato tacos.
I'm planning to make Filipino stew with lentil called the mongos. It's similar also to a Mediterranean flavor because it has cumin. I was planning to put rice in the bottom with coconut milk and spices.
I want to cook the pasta just perfect. No, they're too hard. Al dente. I'm cooking an Italian dish. I got to go get a bottle of wine. It's going in the pasta. It's got to be ready in a minute if I'm going to make time.
Did you get any Parmesan cheese in that? Or?
You know what? I'm not putting Parmesan cheese
No?
in there. No. The last thing I thought these judges would want is this pasta dish infected with cheese out of a can. I've got the rigatoni and the beans. Oh, a little hot pepper oil on there. Come on, this is beautiful. Just enough zing.
Feeling pressure, but that's what it's all about being a chef, right? Texas caviar kind of looks like caviar. We got black-eyed peas, olives, red peppers, marinated carrots. Oh, it drove me nuts not having limes, but champagne vinegar is gonna give me some acidity to this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working.
There you go, girl.
Cowboy, what'd you cook us up?
Got a Texas caviar salad with fried potato and Napoli's fried tacos.
Chef Jana, what do you have for the judges?
This dish is like Filipino stew. I put the rice in the bottom and the lentil on top. On the side, I made a white bean hummus.
Next up, Chef Michelle.
Today, I prepared for you fried artichoke tostada with corn and chipotle pineapple puree on top.
Chef Nikki, what do you got for the judges?
I got Tuscany brought home. I made pasta fagioli with rigatoni, with the garbanzo beans, the porcinis.
The chef that will be leaving us will be Chef Michelle. We're gonna class things up for this next game with a little surf and turf dinner for 4. You know what goes hand in hand with surf and turf, chefs? Budget battle does. You ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Go get him, race car.
Ugh. I'm racing down the aisle. You don't know what you're gonna get. Come on, come on, come on. I don't want to do steaks. I'm going for pork tenderloin. It's cheap. Beautiful. All shrimp. Shrimp goes great with pork. I'm making surf and turf, pork tenderloin, and shrimp.
I was gonna make a lumpia, that's a Filipino spring roll with the steak, the shrimp, and the asparagus. I have to buy the marinade. I grabbed oyster sauce and I grabbed ginger sauce.
I'm gonna make a Texas mignonette, which is a sauce with mint, shallot, red wine vinegar, and I had just a little bit of cilantro.
How much is it?
Hang on, we're already over.
Oh crap, I have too many ingredients. It's way too expensive. I have to make some serious choices.
I'm at the head of the pack. I'm feeling confident. All right, come on, come on. I did an apprenticeship in a 4-star restaurant. When you learn French techniques, you can cook anything.
I'm gonna make a brown butter oyster sauce. The steak, it needs more flavor, but I didn't get to buy all the ingredients that I wanted.
So I'm making the avocado salad, so I added some tomatoes, some lime juice, a lot of cilantro. All right, you're done, baby. I took those potatoes and put it into the avocado salad. Potatoes are like sponges. They're just gonna soak up all the flavor, and it just made magic.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working.
Wow.
Wow.
Good job.
Chef Johanna, what do you have for us?
So I made a surf and turf Asian style. Salt and pepper shrimp, and I have turf with brown butter with oyster sauce and chili, a side of salad topped with steamed asparagus.
Chef Nicky!
Thank you. I call this dish Zero to Hero. I got 3 components. I got pork tenderloin, I've got shrimp, and I've got asparagus.
Last but definitely not least, straight out of Texas, Chef Trevor, what are the judges gonna enjoy?
I call this dish the Tamales Bay Cowboy. A classic oyster with mignonette sauce. I had to use red wine vinegar instead of the classic champagne. Cowboys love potato salad, and I love avocados. That steak, salt, pepper, and love.
The chef that will be leaving us will be Chef Nicky. This next game is a game called Food Wheel. Here we go. First, let's spin for the protein. Whole chicken it is. Could get weird. Oh, it's purple. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go.
Red cabbage.
Grab the jarred stuff, but you have to season it well. And I immediately go for juniper berry. That's purple. And then I was like, go for the beets.
I'm making a Korean style fried chicken. I have to make a sweet and sour marinade. I need fresh ingredients. I'm grabbing everything that's purple. I love eggplant.
10 minutes. 10 minutes left, chefs.
You know, you can do German dish. You gotta have potatoes on that, baby. The beet juice really adds a bit of sweetness to it. You know, threw the cream in.
You put purple with white. What does that make? Pink.
I'm looking at these potatoes and I'm like, those are not purple, those are pink. I took some of the beets, I chopped them up and put them in there for a bit of texture and a little bit more purple color.
5 minutes.
I'm looking at the chicken. I don't think it's cooked yet, so I put it back in the fryer. I'm doing too much stuff, but I want to prove everybody, including my family, that I'm really a great chef.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. Wow. First up will be Chef Trevor. What do the judges have here?
This is an ode to my grandparents. This is schnitzel oma and opa. The red cabbage has juniper berry, whipped mashed potatoes with it.
Next up, Chef Joe. What do the judges have?
I made a Korean style fried chicken. It's marinated fried chicken with eggplant, and I made a side of blueberry compo.
The chef that will be leaving us will be Chef Joanna. Now, in my hand is a list of 10 items. You have 2 minutes to find as many of these items as possible, and for each item you check off and put in that basket, you're gonna get $2,000. You grab all 10 items before the time is up, and you will win $20,000. In 3, get them running boots on. 2, 1, go! Nice job, Trevor!
I grew up in a grocery store. 20 G's, here I come. I saw pizza, 2,000.
$2,000. Going after cottage cheese.
4,000.
We're looking for applesauce.
Out of the corner of my eyes, I see the applesauce, and it was just a quick reflex.
We got applesauce. 20 seconds. A nut with a shell.
There's always nuts in the produce aisle.
A nut with a shell.
I saw those hazelnuts. Oh, thank God.
20,000! Oh my God! Mama, I did it. I got 20 grand, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, he goes big. Eastern Texas for $20,000. Give it up for Chef Trevor. Woo!